Exercise 14 on the page 60. Write each of the fractions below as a decimal fraction and then give its equivalent decimal number. So here this question is of two parts. First of all, we have to write this fraction as decimal fraction, and then we have to write as decimal number. So we have 1/4. So to be a decimal fraction, so this fraction, the denominator should be 10 or power of 10. So the powers of 10 are 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. So could 4 be written as 10? No, it could be written as 100 when it's multiplied by 25. So we do the same for the numerator. 1 times 25 is 25 over 100. So this is the equivalent decimal fraction of 1/4. And then to write as a decimal number, we have two zeros, that means two decimal digits. So it's 0.25. Here we have 2 over 5. So we have to write as a decimal fraction. First of all, we can't simplify the fraction, so we multiply 5 times 2 and 2 times 2, so it equals to 4/10, and we write as a decimal number, it's 0.4. Here we have 30/4. So here we can use this fraction and we multiply 4 by 25 to become 100, or we could simplify this fraction. So it's divisible by 2, and here is divisible by 2. So 30 divided by 2 is 15, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then we work on this fraction, 15/2. To become a decimal fraction, we multiply by 5 both terms, and it's over 10. And here we have 50 plus 25 is 75, and it's 7.5. Here we have 98/25. 25 is multiplied by 4 to have 100. Then we have 4 times 8 is 32, so it's 32. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 3 is 39. And as a decimal number, we have 2 zeros, 2 decimal digits, so it's 3.92. And then we have this fraction, 528/125. This number is multiplied by 8 to have 1000, so we do the same for the numerator. So over 1000. And then we have 528 divided by 8, multiplied by 8 is 4,224. And as a decimal number, we have 3 zeros, that means 3 decimal digits, and it's 4.224. And here we have 72/25. Here 25 is multiplied by 4 to have 1000, so we do the same for the upper side of the fraction. 250 times 4 is 1000. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. So 72 times 4 is 288. And we have 3 zeros, that means 3 decimal digits. So as a decimal number, we have 0.288.